here we are. This is our first ever episode. Hi everybody, welcome to our channel, Pending the Real Meal. We came up with this channel just, I guess, yesterday. we came up with the idea just yesterday. I think this was just a fabulous idea.
Yeah.
Just to step out of
our comfort
where
zone.
we are. Yeah.
Because I've been trying to find Jamaican food everywhere and trying to get the usual stuff.
Oh, that's another thing. So let me explain something to you. Prior to, let me see, no, when I was younger, anytime that we were gonna go anywhere on holiday, we used to live here for a while. Anytime in the UK, sorry. Anytime that we would be going anywhere on holiday, we'd end up back in Jamaica, and I'm telling you, it's the saddest thing on earth. Not to say that I don't love Jamaica, alright? Love it. But to constantly go back there and not actually experience anywhere else is kind of sad, obviously. Well, to a child at least. But now that I'm a bit older and I'm able to move, I would love to explore other cultures. So it's kind of sad that we ended up eating almost the same thing over and over and over again. Whether it be Jamaican food or
just food.
When we're doing takeaway, it'd be the typical fish and chips or
pizza.
Yeah, or spaghetti and bolognese. And you're thinking, why not do something different? Why not try something else? So here we are just taking a plunge. If we fall, we fall.
Pending the real meal!
Yeah. Pending the real meal.
So, we decided to try Thai.
Yeah. On
the first try. And wow, this is an interesting experiment.
Yep. So every day or every time that we film, which hopefully is once a week, so bear with us, but also try to hold us accountable in some regard. We want to explore a different culture, a different country, their foods. We hope to make one main dish that we've never made before that includes a meat, then one that is more vegetarian. We also want to have a side dish, a drink, and a dessert.
So today we're going to start with the broccoli soup.
Yep, so this will be our soup. We're going to taste the soup, yeah. So here we go.
Wow. Yes, Lord, bless this food. Yes. Amen.
Okay. Okay.
It's amazing because we can't get pumpkin in the supermarkets.
Yeah. So what happened was we actually were trying to make a pumpkin soup. Was it a pumpkin stir fry? A lot of the names I'm gonna just post them, put them hopefully somewhere, because I don't want to try and pronounce the names and get them completely wrong. But yeah, we ended up doing this broccoli soup, which seems to taste pretty awesome.
The flavors.
What was in this?
There's ginger, there's garlic, there's coconut milk.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
And sweet potato.
Okay.
Sweet potato.
Okay.
Right. It's so funny because I've been having so much pumpkin soup and I've run out of pumpkins. And I'm trying to figure out, because we can't get pumpkins anywhere, what am I going to do? And here it is, broccoli soup. It's really is an awesome soup. And of course, cilantro is in there. Garlic. Very good.
Yeah. So what's in this?
Well, it's black tea and sweetened, and then there's coconut milk that we've used to flavor it. So let's taste it. It's iced, so it's cold.
It's cool. Cheers. At the moment, I'm just tasting coconut milk.
Yeah. It's interesting.
Let me just stir it around. Okay. It's not bad.
What does it taste like?
It just tastes like cold tea. but a nice little milky cold tea. It's cool.
Very different. Trying to think of something that I've tasted like it.
I think, I'm not sure. But what I noticed when we were researching about different Thai foods is that, or Thai drinks, is that most of them are milk based.
Right. Interesting.
Yeah.
But the coconut milk is very unusual
Yeah.
because we're not accustomed to coconut milk in
They
tea.
use a lot of coconut milk
Right.
as well.
Right, so we're gonna taste these meals. So
Okay, so now we're gonna be moving on to the mains. Here we have spicy beef salad. I hope you can see it. A marinated beef, and this is marinated. Oh,
right, so this was like the longest because most of the things were very quick. So the beef had to be marinated for 1 hour in lime juice, fish sauce, which is a really nice garlicky fish sauce, a little soya sauce, and some red crushed pepper.
alright, cool.
So that was the marinade for an hour. And then I had to make a salad dressing, which was very similar ingredients, but this time it had some sugar in there and it had soya sauce. So then the meat, fry the meat in a hot wok, put that down to cool, and then make the salad and put all the ingredients together and the sauce. Really surprised because I just didn't see how we could do Thai without a green curry.
Yeah, it's not a wet
So-
green curry. It's just a green curry.
So I just made up this green curry, put it in the blender, just all these green seasonings, cilantro and peppers and just garlic and all of that sort of thing. Put it in the blender, then fried it. Oh, the smell when we fried that. And then I just added some vegetables, eggplant and tomatoes and onions. I'm expecting that to be very different.
Alright.
And then of course the fried rice, which was again very different. The jasmine rice was a rice that we used, and so that was boiled earlier, cooled, and I used normal vegetable oil to fry the egg. So we fried the egg, took the egg out, then put the sesame oil in, fried the shrimp, put in the sugar snap peas and the green peas and the corn, fry that up. And then the tom sauce, is that what it's called?
Tom yum.
Tom yum sauce, that's the base of this flavor. And so when I tasted it, I was like, that's very strong, but it has a very unique flavor. I think Cymone will like it.
Yeah.
So let's see how that.
Let's dig in.
Which one? Rice.
Ooh.
I wonder how much we'd have to pay at the Thai restaurant.
Wow, this is nice.
The salad.
Mm-hmm.
You tasted it?
Mm.
The salad.
That sauce is on point. Not really a salad person myself, but this.
But you thinking to yourself, would a Thai person have made this combination? You know what I mean?
That's true.
Maybe they wouldn't.
What do you say is your favorite thing that you've had?
In this meal?
Yeah.
The rice.
Okay.
The rice is awesome. Wow. This has put my cooking to another level. The sauces that they have And the flavors, the lime, they use a lot of lime, the coconut milk, cilantro, the red peppers. Very good. We have a pudding.
Okay.
It's a Thai pudding, and it's made of flour, coconut milk, egg yolks, and flavoring. It's really nice. I started to taste it. Some sugar.
You said shit, okay. Why not? And I sprinkled a bit of cinnamon on it just because decoration. So we're gonna dig in. Hopefully it tastes good.
I know it tastes good.
Tastes like porridge.
Yes, it does.
I don't know if you guys have realized this by now, but we are Jamaicans. We live in England. You moved here in December of last year, and I moved here about 3 years ago. So been here, pandemic strong for a while.
Very good.
Yeah.
So we can say we went to Thailand today.
Pending the real meal.
Oh yes, and we need to be able to see some videos of Thailand. I need to.
Yeah, that is so true. Our plan, okay. So our plan was to watch little videos of Thailand and get to know the country just a little bit more, probably, you know, where we would want to go, what we'd want to do while we were there. Yeah, and obviously what we'd want to eat. This isn't necessarily what I'd eat if I was in Thailand per se, but we wanted to try something that was seemingly authentic, and these are the things that really came up. Most of the stuff that I have researched, I will put links to them below, just so that you can look it up and research for yourself. Because, as I said, we are stuck in this madness. No one necessarily wants to be here. I'm sure a lot of people want to be on a plane going, only God knows where right now. But unfortunately, we really can't. And it doesn't make any sense for us to sorry. So it actually got to the point where we weren't even allowed to have fun in our area. So we weren't actually allowed to go out and tour, because we were at least trying to go to different parks and just be human, you know, just allow ourselves to relax and enjoy ourselves. And because we'd gotten to that place where we couldn't even do that anymore.
Okay, so thank you ladies and gentlemen for spending some time with us, and if you enjoyed it, just what they say,
like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Do what you want to do.
Or don't, I mean, yeah.
Or you don't have to, I mean, you know, but we are enjoying this journey, and I really hope we'll be able to give you very, very frequent updates.
Yeah, and please just like good, positive comments down below. If you have any feedback, any constructive feedback, you know, we'll work with it. Well, you know, you can still write it, but you know,
yeah, it's all an experiment.
We're new to this, and we just want your time, just patience is what I would say.
Yeah.
We're gonna get better.
We're gonna get better at it.
Yeah.